My name is Megha Iyer, Associate Editor of B2B Purchase, and I welcome you all for an interactive procurement series on building a sustainable future with green construction materials. I invite Ms. Ria to introduce the panelists and to order the session.
Thank you, Megha. Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have Mr. Chirag Gundigara. He is currently positioned at Sales Building Material at Haver and Boecker India. Since 2019, Mr. Chirag has led Haver and Boecker India Pvt Limited's building materials and mineral segments by providing packaging and transport automation solution. With 15 years of experience in business development, sales, marketing, and key account management, he has demonstrated his ability to achieve nationwide sales target, expand market share, and generate new business while maintaining quality assurance and targeting potential customers. Mr. Chirag will present a talk on Planet Blue, Efficient, and Sustainable Packaging Solution for Construction Materials. So let's welcome Mr. Chirag.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Chirag Gundigara. I'm heading a sales division for building product and minerals. Haver Boecker. Haver Boecker is a German-based multinational working in India since 1955, leading in crushing, transporting, packing, supply chain solutions for all the verticals like cement, building product, chemical, food, and automations. So today I would like to throw more information as a Haver Boecker. It is very important as a company, as a stakeholder, as a customer. It is very important that our solutions, our products needs to be sustainable and having a good impact on the environment. The planet blue is a concept like we see that our planet where we are living, it is in blue in color, not green, but it is blue in color. And since it's a 100 years old organization, we always see that over the period of time as population is growing, more products are demanding in the market. Here we would like to give you some information how the complete chain is operating from raw material generation to the final consumption. So if you see this green material, it's a building products like cement, mortar, tile adhesive, or minerals like calcium carbonate, dolomite, feldspar. This is the raw material which being used for the many applications, paint, textile, all the construction, everything, this basic material are being used. So if you see from raw mill preparation, then the next step is your packing. Your packing should be clean and dust free. This is the first way to reduce the CO2 emissions and product loss. In that stage, your packing should be very clean, neat, and dust-free. Then, once your product get packed, it's stored in your warehouse. The second stage, when you have more complaints and more storage issues with your product, your bags. Then, next stage is your transit. Either it's a trailer or truck or wagon. And that work, this is a supply chain is also responsible for the CO2 emissions, product loss, handling kind of things. After your product reach to your stockist or DIY store or your next location where is a damp-proof environment or not proper locations to store and go to your customer where it is being used for the application where your bag could not emptying properly or it's still some material inside the bag. And fourth and last, your recycling. So these are the complete value chain where we as a Haver Boecker take care of minimum CO2 emission, minimum product loads. Your bag should be neat, clean, dust free, and your and you are business more profitable and more cleaner in nature. So this is so how we can do this thing in a proper way. So we consult our customers with this complete supply chains. We understand the pattern of transportation and customer applications, type of bag, type of packing machines, what material they are used. Based on this complete information, we understand the way of working of our customer in every level. We suggest a solution which gives better productivity, minimum product loads, minimum CO2 emissions, desired capacity, end of the day, higher margins and the profitability. So how Planet Blue works in day-to-day things like Indian market, it is more into the woven fabric bags driven market. Yes, it is a price sensitive market. We could understand the customer behaving, and we could understand the supply chain issue. But yes, we suggest you the right bed, the right palletization, right the supply chain. In India, if you see the construction industry, in our recent review, the Indian cement market is now growing in a very fast manner. The numerics about the consumption per person, India is 10 to 30 kg consumption per person, where if you see the China cement consumption, it is more than 2000 kg per person. So the complete developing on base of infrastructure designed on the Indian consumption pattern. And yes, we are anticipated that next 5 or 7 years, India cement market consumption is going to be double. Means from 200 kg per person consumption is go up to 450 or 500 kg per consumption market. The capacity of Indian cement manufacturing is going to be double. Understand, and we could see the lot of infrastructure development around the country, like bridges, roads, commercial apartments, residential apartments. Everything is booming nowadays. And yes, at the same time, we have to be more cautious about our environment, our recycling process, about our approach to this rapid growth of construction material. It is not like you have a good packing machine or you have a good product. It must have a complete overview of your material journey or material of your consumption flows. So yes, this is what I would like to tell about our Blue Planet project.
Thank you, Mr. Chirag, for sharing your views on efficient and sustainable packaging solution for construction materials. B2B Purchase is available on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. You can also download our app from Google Play and App Store. We would request our viewers to stay tuned for future interactions. With that, today's interaction has now come to a close. Thank you and goodbye.